Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. This video I'm going to be showing you guys my two trades that I took and that I ended up with 6.1% profit on the day on gold. Alright, so here is my take on these two trades. And first of all, the first trade that was this one right here. I closed too early. I should have kept this trade running a little bit longer, but I still ended up profitable. And then this one right here was a little bit of a short trade right before the market closed, right? So let's start off with this simple one right here. So going back to this was Wednesday, right? So this was yesterday. So yesterday we made this low right here, as you guys can see, this low in the market. Now if we see, uh we traded this area right here on the left and made a couple of buys and ended up being taken out on a couple positions. And this is the biggest mistake that I made, which I made a video about, which I entered the lot size 10 times bigger than my regular lot size that I use, and ended up losing a ton of profit on this, but making all this back on this trade right here and also this one right here. So so that's another story. But let's going back. We were creating these lower lows and lower highs, and from this moment on, I call this the very low of the market. So the very low of the market means two things. Either we were gonna be, coming higher again, like moving to the upside, which is a reversal, or we're gonna keep going low until we find that very, very low point in the market. So to me, this is already that lower point in the market. And then from that moment on, we basically create a higher low right here and then pushed higher. So this whole move right here of creating this simple huge wick and starting to push higher, I've already seen this already two times in the last couple of weeks. And from this moment on, we just are expecting a push down, some confirmation for us to enter. So here we started to the price started to push down, and then I have this trend line of 1, 2, and then third touch. And this third touch to me is another higher low, right? So in this, I have two entries. I actually have another entry right here at around 45.05. I'll put this in green. So this is my second entry, and my stops for both trades was excuse me, below right here. So this is my stop. And once I saw the price started to shift in my favor, I moved it to the previous low, so right where we are. And for this position was about 2.4 point stop, which is an incredible stop for the trade. And that took my trade to about 1 to 7 risk to reward. So my risk was very good and my reward was also like very good. And the thing is, I looked at the 4-hour time frame. As you guys can see, we pushed higher. So this is a doji bullish candle, but somehow in my mind I said, yeah, we just closed the 4-hour time frame. Somehow I decided to close the trade and ended up regretting after, because we pushed even higher. So I re-entered it on the second on this push, and we started to reject down, and then I re-entered again. And then right here I have about two positions. I closed one and I left one running, so I have a second position running right here. My goal is for us to break all of this. So break this high right here, and push all the way down to the 46 range, right? 4600 range. So this is my goal. Now this is the breakdown, a quick video for these two trades. Ended up profitable about 6% on the day. And yeah, guys, comment down below what you thought of this trade, and hit the like button and subscribe for more.